Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn how the first step of distance vector routing, that is how these nodes create their routing table. For example, N1 is a node of the network. It creates its routing table and it creates its routing table, and the routing table has three parts: destination, distance and next. These two parts are the important one. Like the destination in the node, the present node is N1. So in the first point, N1 will calculate the distance with itself only. So N1 will calculate the distance from N1. The distance of N1 to N1 is 0. The distance of N1 to N2 is 1. The distance of N1. Now let's see. Understand this part. The distance between N1 to N3 is unknown for N1 because N3 is not directly connected with the N1. Right, so it will create the routing table and update its distance as infinity. The distance between N1 to N4 is also infinity. Distance between N1 to N5 is infinity. Right. Similarly, N2 will create its routing table like this. The distance between N2, the nodes which are directly connected with N2 are N1, N3 and N5. So the distance between N2 to N1 is 1. Distance between N2 to N2 is 0. N2 to N3 is 6. N2 to N4. Now see, understand this. N4 is not directly connected with N2. So the distance between N2 to N4 is infinity. The distance between N2 to N5 is 3. Now come to the next node, N3. The distance between N3 to N1. Let's see, these are not directly connected nodes. So it will create the routing table and updates its distance as infinity. N3 to N2 is 6, N3 to N4 is 2, or N3 to N5 is again infinity. So similarly, it will create N4 routing table for the N4. The distance between N4 to N1 is infinity, N4 to N2 is infinity, N4 to N3 is 2, N4 to N5 is N4 to N5 is 4, or N4 to N4 is 0. The final last node is N5. The distance, it will calculate the distance from every node and it will get infinity from N1, 3 from N2, infinity from N3, 4 from N4 or 0 from N5. Right? Thank you.